welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kwetsi Pedla. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. Guys, it's been I think 3 weeks since my last video, if not 4. I did post in my community tab that I am super busy and so I won't be able to post videos for a while. So I'm back now. Life's still busy, but it's not as hectic as it's been over the past like 3 weeks. So I'm able to now start filming again and making videos and posting. I'm actually going to film 2 videos this weekend in addition to this vlog. I also haven't had Wi-Fi for like 3 weeks, so obviously I wasn't able to upload anything. Even if I wanted to film, I wouldn't have been able to upload anything. So I figured, let me just give myself that break, sort my life out, and then come back. So guys, I'm not really doing much this weekend. Last night I was out with my friend, a friend of mine, and we just had dinner. And what else? Yeah, I came home and I slept, and today I just went to run a few errands. I'll show you guys what I got. I'm gonna wash my hair and braid it. And what else do I want to do? I want to do some self-care, guys. Either today or tomorrow. Just relax a bit and just guys, come back to myself, because it's been a while since I've also done like proper self-care and just relaxed and really taking good care of myself, because everything's just been so hectic in my life. Like, I come back from work and I sleep straight away. I hardly sit with my family. Like, things have just been so hectic. I've been super exhausted. So now my energy is coming back. I'm feeling a lot better. So I think I will be able to bring you guys some content. So guys, I went to Clicks and the first thing I got is this Romantic Rose bubble bath. I'm so sad because they didn't have the Also Heavenly special where you can get 2 for 110 rand. So I only bought 1, and I could have waited for the special, but the thing is I really need a bubble bath because, like I said, I really want to do some self-care. I also went and I got 3 body wash / shower gel. If you've watched, I think, my How Do I Smell Good All Day video, you'll know that this is my new fave, this Clicks body wash, and it's 3 for the price of 2. So it's 65 rand for 1. It was actually 60 rand. It went up to 65 rand. So yeah, I spent 130 on all 3, and I think it's a good deal because it's 750 mils. I also went and I got nail polish remover, guys, because I just want to remove nail polish from my toes, and just I always buy nail polish remover and lose it. So I don't know how that happens, but I hope I can keep this one for a while because I don't hardly wear nail polish. I had to wear it because I was gone to my friend's wedding, I think 2 or 3 weeks back. So yeah, I bought this mousse, guys. This mousse was 60 rand at some point. Now it's 77 rand. And I was just so shook when I got into Clicks and I saw that. But I understand, man, prices have gone up for almost everything, but also this is a really great mousse, and I'm sure a lot of people are buying it now, which is why it's probably gone up. Also got some cotton pads just to tone, just for toning and whatever else that we need to use them for. I didn't buy the special this time around. I don't know why I bought these ones, but yeah. Guys, the last thing that I got is this holographic. It's a holographic face mask by Also Heavenly. I'm very excited to try this out. It's a peel off. The last peel off I used by Also Heavenly was really good. Like, it didn't hurt when I pulled it off. It was just the best. It's on one of my face mask Fridays. I'll link it down below. I really love Also Heavenly, so I'm very excited to try this peel off mask. Also, guys, if you want me to bring back Face Mask Friday, I will, because I really enjoyed Face Mask Friday. I was supposed to incorporate it into my vlogs this year, but I haven't been able to consistently post this year because it's just been super chaotic this year, guys. And I think when I find time, I'll sit down and speak to you guys and let you know what the hell is going on in my life. But yeah, so guys, I also went to Liquor City and I got this Eagles Cliff wine. I've never seen this brand before. It's a Shiraz Rosé from 2018. That's the only reason I bought it, is that it's a blend of a Shiraz and Rosé. If you know, I absolutely love wine blends. Red wine's my favorite, but wine blends are my absolute favorite. Whether it's a red and a white blend, or a red and a rosé, or a white and a rosé, I really love blends so much. So my favorite blend is a Pinotage Rosé. Oh guys, makes you drunk though. But it's my favorite blend, so I'm very excited to try this Shiraz Rosé. I also got a 6-pack of Savannah. Yeah, I can't even explain. Everybody drinks Savannah, so I'm gonna drink one now because I'm a little bit hungover from last night, so I'm gonna definitely drink one now. And yeah, go braid my hair, really just sit and drink it while I'm braiding my hair. The last thing that I got, guys, is a wine glass. I'm very worried because I break wine glasses, guys. I break them, whether I'm sober, whether I'm tipsy, it doesn't matter. Like, I break wine glasses, and I really hope I don't break this one because I paid 50 rand for just one glass. So I have to make sure I do not break this pretty little glass. I'm gonna actually go wash this now so I can have some of this wine later on. Yeah, so anyway, guys, I'm gonna go wash dishes now, and then yeah, do my hair, do whatever else I need to do. So I hope you enjoy the remainder of this vlog, and I'll see you later, guys. So I'm not washing my hair anymore because braiding it anymore because I can't find my hairpiece. Like, I can't find it at all. We had 3 packs because I'm gonna do like sort of jumbo braids, but I can't find it at all. And the only other hairpiece we have here at home is not a color that I want to do. So I've just decided that I'm gonna wash my hair and put it into a ponytail, or maybe do those Benny and Betty braids, like with wool. I don't know, I'll decide. But I want to cut my hair anyway. My hair's a mess ever since I dyed it in December. But anyway, I'm gonna just have a drink now and watch Kings of Napa. There's like 3 episodes on catch up, so I'm gonna watch that. I wanted to watch Grownish, but they haven't yet uploaded the new episodes, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now, and then I'll see what happens for the remainder of the day because the Saturday flew right past. So yeah. Hey guys, so I just finished doing my makeup. I'm about to film a video. a winter essentials video. It's gonna come up after this vlog, so please make sure you watch it. I wanted to have it out by May, but you know the situation with Wi-Fi and whatever, so yeah, I'm gonna go film that now. I've been cooking all day, cleaning, you know, doing whatever I need to do. So right now I'm gonna go film that video, and once I'm done, I'm gonna take a nice bubble bath and put on that holographic face mask and see if there's a difference with that. But yeah, I doubt I'll be speaking for the remainder of the vlog, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for 500 subscribers. Once again, we're almost at 600, and then we're gonna be at 1,000, so let's push, guys. And to everybody who's new here, go watch the other videos you haven't seen. Yeah, we've got like 2 years worth of videos. So thank you so much, guys. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.